In this video, we're going to talk about electronic signatures. What are they? Are they legal or not? Which departments or which companies should use them? We're going to cover all of that. Hey, I'm Adam, and I work at the contract management company called Oneflow. We digitalize the contract process and make it easier for businesses to manage and handle their contracts. So what is an electronic signature? An electronic signature is very similar to a physical signature, except it's electronic. It's also done in a digital manner, and it's a cost-effective and secure way to get electronic documents signed. They are legally binding in the majority of countries, and they carry the same weight and legal effect as inked or handwritten signatures. There are different levels when it comes to electronic signatures. Simple electronic signatures are ones that can be thought of as the minimum requirement for identity guarantees. Think of just signing a piece of paper or signing a contract or signing a parcel that's getting delivered to your house. The second kind of signatures are advanced electronic signatures. These are a digital signature that are based on an advanced certificate that uniquely identify the signer. The third kind of electronic signatures are qualified electronic signatures. These are the most secure as they have the highest level of security of all e-signatures. In addition to the requirements for an advanced electronic signature, it's created by a qualified electronic signature device, and this is based on qualified certificates for electronic signatures. So now that leaves us with the biggest and the most important question of all. Are electronic signatures safe and secure? When we look at Europe, which is where we're focusing on, the short answer is yes. This means that no EU or EEA court can dismiss an electronic signature solely because it's in an electronic format. To learn more about the legality of electronic signatures, visit the link in the description of this video. Electronic signatures can be used in a wide variety of departments, but we're going to start with sales. In sales departments, e-signatures streamline the sales process by eliminating the need for physical paperwork and manual signing. Sales teams can send out contracts, get them signed, send proposals, get those signed, send agreements to clients electronically, and it allows for faster turnaround times and greater deal velocity. Using electronic signatures in your sales process can significantly speed up the time it takes for a deal to close. When using electronic signatures inside your HR department, it allows you to get your new hires and new recruits inside the door faster. This means you can send them an agreement or send them a contract and they can sign from anywhere, wherever they are, even if they're working at a remote office, working at in your main HQ office, or working from another country. It simplifies the HR workflow and allows you to speed up the hiring process. IT teams can also benefit from using electronic signature software, as you can use e-signatures to obtain approval for changes inside a software system, or for software deployment, or for access permissions. It also creates an audit log so you can see who did what or who signed what, where, and when, which creates more security, more safety, and more trust inside your IT departments. Electronic signatures provide great benefits to a legal team as well. They include faster turnaround times, increased security, better audit trails, and reduced costs that come along with printing and accessing long, detailed contracts. When you're a lawyer or inside a legal team, there are lots of changes, lots of edits that need to be made inside a contract, and all of those can be visible when you're using an electronic signature tool that allows for you to track changes and see who has done what, where inside the contract. Implementing an e-signature solution inside your finance department has good benefits as well. For example, you get reminders on when you need to renew your contract or terminate a contract, and all of your contracts are stored in a safe and secure place so that everyone in your finance team, or managers at least, can see all of their contracts in one place and know they're locked down only in an area where they can access them. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you want to learn more about contract management or Oneflow in general, you can check out our Oneflow hack videos on our YouTube page. Otherwise, if you're interested in getting Oneflow for free, go to our website, oneflow.com, where you can sign up for a free trial and get all access to all of our features for 14 days.